Everyone today wants to make the best use of their day, but not all of us are able to manage our day properly, and we end up in chaos all the day long and are not able to get the most of that day. So today I will be telling you some easy points that will help you to make the best use of your day and make your day productive and achieve everything that you wanna achieve. But before that, to those who are new to this channel, hi, this is Vaidehi and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, which is Study Techniques with Vaidehi. The first thing that you need to do is to plan and start preparation one night before. If you want to have a productive day, then make a to-do list the one night before and just simply write down all the things that needs to be done on the other day. But please make sure that you write only those things that are doable and do not overdo. If you overdo it, the result will be only stress and you will end up with only problems and your day would not become productive. The only idea behind making a to-do list is to give ourselves a direction and a sense of what needs to be completed at the end of the day. And if we have a to-do list in front of us, we have a thing in mind that yes, there is some work that we need to complete and we have something to do, and thus we do not end up wasting our time and wandering here and there. This simple to-do list makes our day valuable and it helps us to boost our productivity level. The second thing that you need to do is to avoid social media right at the beginning or the start of your day, because this will only lead to low focus and low concentration. Social media can always lead us to sad feelings and can make us feel grumpy at the beginning and the starting of our day, leading to a very bad and a day without productivity. So instead of social media, just try to meditate or go for an exercise or go for a walk and simply calm your mind and give yourself a break from social media when you are about to start your day. Practice this and believe me, the results would be magical. Third thing that you need to remember is to focus on one thing at a time. Many a times it can happen that multitasking can prove to be very bad for productivity. It happens that it will take much longer time to complete 3 to 4 things at once than completing a one particular thing at a time. So instead of going for different tasks at one particular time, choose one task at a time and complete it. After completing that one particular task, you can definitely go for the other task. When you are working on a single task, just keep your focus and energy on that particular task. Do not end up thinking about the next assignment or whatever the next work that you have decided, because focusing on one thing will make you more productive, as you will work with more productivity when you are working on a single task. The next thing that you can do is to tackle the most important task first thing in the morning, because you will feel more relaxed and more good and more satisfied when you complete a big task first thing in the morning. And this simple thing will give you a stress-free day, eventually uplifting your productivity level. So just decide that what are those 2 to 3 tasks of the day that you think you cannot complete. Just give your full focus and your concentration and try to complete those tasks. Believe me that this simple thing will help you to make you more productive and give you a good day ahead. The next point that all must do is to clean and organize your work area or your workspace, because a messy atmosphere, a messy workspace or work area will not give you any good feeling and you will not feel good doing that particular work. Just remember to keep your workspace tidy and organized. The next thing that you must do to increase your productivity is to track your time. If you are a person that does not know that where your most of the time goes and you are not able to utilize your day properly and thus be productive, then just track your time. Just see that what is the thing that is wasting your time and is not letting you to do that what you want to do the whole day. Just take a simple piece of paper and jot down all the things that you are doing the whole day, and after seeing that list you will realize your mistake, that what is that particular thing that is wasting your time and is not letting you be productive. So I think that these points will definitely help you in making your day productive. This is all for today's video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, do share, give a beautiful comment down there, and I will meet you very soon with another such interesting video. Till then, bye and take care.